All right, this one is for like call purpose, and it will be useful for just call buttons and call purpose. Go to setting, go to system and action and gesture. You can simply flip to mute. If you have like phone calls is coming, you can just mute just like this, and it's gonna go mute. Yeah, you need to turn this on, and it will become mute whenever you got like incoming call. And you can use this raise to ear. Now turn this on and put your phone to ear, and it's good to go, and it's gonna answer your call. Next here is to raise to wake, and next here is like answer call with gesture. So you can answer the call by using this two finger, or if you wanted to rejection, the full palm, and it's gonna end the call. But your hand must be like on 20 centimeter far away. So yeah, it's kind of cool, you know. If you wanted to add this gesture, enable this. Now try on calling and try to experiment with this. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. Hope you find this video useful. See you in next one. Peace out.